What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning. Out to do a one-room deodorizer. I guess there's heavy urine stains from the pets. It was a move out. I guess they had it cleaned. The tenant had it cleaned, but the owner of the building or the residence was not happy with it because he said there's still a heavy urine odor from his pet, hopefully. So heading out there, we're gonna do a simple deodorizing on it, let that dwell for 10-15 minutes, then go ahead and clean it. And if there's any other, so I told him if it smelled like that for a long time, you know, your walls could smell like it, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do it if it needs it when I'm done. Deodorizer, it's kind of like a little bottle of fogger. Really kicks butt. So, all right, stay tuned. All right, so that's a close-up. So I will be definitely keeping my distance. There's supposed to be nobody at the house today, so the landlord's gonna let me in, and then I'll just make sure that, you know, we keep a safe distance. I'm gonna have my gloves on and put on my face mask, and yeah, because, you know, I'm really taking this COVID coronavirus-19 seriously. I don't leave the house unless I got work to do, and the majority of the work that I do is all lately just been move outs and stuff, so nobody's there, which is great for me and for them, right? I had one go, the pet had died in a home, so it was just unsanitary, you know, and customers called me, wanted me to come out and clean it, so I did, but they stayed in their own room. I disinfected everything and made sure I had all my protective gear on. So, yes, take it seriously, guys. Look at this beautiful Tooth and Nail Winery right there. Is a pretty cool place. You can see it. It's like a castle back there, but yeah. So getting outside and stuff like that, I haven't did a lot of. But if this keeps up, I'm gonna start getting out, but staying away from people, of course. All right, stay tuned. All right, so really small room. I mean, but there is a odor, urine, and some pet issues here, and I'll address that. So I'm gonna do a good thorough vacuum on it, and then put down my deodorizer, let that dwell. Anyway, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the looks to be urine spots with the 20 volume. As far as the staining, I can't guarantee the staining on it because I don't know how long it's been here, what it's been used to try to clean it up. But I will treat them. Okay, so I'll lay down my deodorizer here. I'll let that go for 10 minutes while I'm pulling my hoses. And then I'll pre-spray and agitate. So we'll be going in and out of this house, and I'm not doing the rest of the carpet, so I'm gonna protect this. I don't want to leave it dirty. Good thing to do, guys. I am going to go underneath that also. Alright, I need 2 hands for that. Stay tuned. Alright, so for small areas, you don't need your big old machinery, right? This will work just fine. Lowe's. apparently they already had a carpet cleaner come in here and do this, or clean. But to me, doesn't look like they do too good of a job. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 hands on this. Stay tuned. Do a real good rinse on this area here. That's where I think the smell's coming from. These stains aren't coming up. Alright, just starting to rain on me. But I'm done, wrapping it up. So showed the customer the finished product, and he was okay with it because I showed him the stains that didn't disappear, and I let him know, you know, sometimes people use products to clean up the pet urine that actually sets it. Like if a woman dyes their hair, right, and then you put the activator in it that makes it permanent, it does, you know, pretty much does the same thing. It sets the stain. So being that another carpet cleaner came in here and cleaned, didn't get rid of it, I hit it, didn't get rid of it, lets me know it's permanent. He understands, but his main concern was the odor, and the odor was good. No more odor. And he's happy. I'm happy. And I'm done heading home. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. You know the routine. See you in the next video. Yeah, that was pretty dirty, huh? One room. And that was after it being cleaned by another company. Not sure what they did, but probably a splash and dash. Yeah, so this whole area is ghost town. One car here thinking it's open. Everything in my town's closed as far as restaurants and public places. Usually this whole parking lot is packed. I noticed that drive-thrus are still going, which confuses me. People are making the food, where the employee is handing the food to the customer. Now, if one of those people, such as maybe the person taking your money and handing you the food, is sick, it seems like that would be passing it off to a whole lot of people. Social distancing in that situation doesn't make sense to me, but hey, who am I? Alright, see you in the next video.